Hi guys, be safe, we got the train engine here. I got an announcement for you. Take a look. I made an Airjet Zero Road train on this picture. It's called Airjet Zero Road Train Express on the Interstate Highway. I made an Airjet Zero Road train, a pilot of airplane Zero Road Train Express. Alright, so we know I got a lot of subscribers on Zero Road Train Express. Here's to listen. $1 p.m. I gotta make a lot of Zebra Road Train subscribers. Just so you know, go to RacerRoss.com/Zebra Road Train Express. Anyway, that's RacerRoss.com/Airjet Zebra Road Train Express. If you want to see subscribe more videos about Zebra Road Train field tripping, feel free to ask. This is Sammy O'Gara, signing off. And I'll see you in the next video about Zebra Road Train Express. Take care.